Come back everyone, just a quick catch up on how my little cottage garden's going. Hi there Snowy, Snowy, come on in, come on in, what a good boy. Right, here we go. To my left, I've got my hollyhocks, beautiful day lilies here. These are my day lilies here, nice hostas, gorgeous, gorgeous orange flowers there. To the right, aqualegias that are still looking really well. Been flying for a few weeks now. My hollyhocks. Let's just have a quick pan round. These are some of my favourite aqualegias. Tall, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. The colours are absolutely amazing. Just put the lawn today, looking a little bit tidier. I have to spray these for lily beetle, I'm afraid, because you can see there, just starting to get a little bit of damage there. Some pink, these are carnations. These smell divine when they start flowering. I might have to dig that one up and move it. Getting a little bit overcrowded there. And these, I am so looking forward to these flowering. My lupines, I think this is the second year this one's been in. Look at the size of that plant there. I grew these were grown from seed this year, and that's just getting some flower, two flower shoots on there. That'll be nice. And a nice pale one here. I think this might be a white one, this one, with any luck. But it's getting quite a lot of slug and snail damage, unfortunately. You see it there on the leaves, the trails. Japanese anemone. Always like this. Got it off a neighbour. There's a couple of little offshoots off one of their plants. These peonies, this is going to be the best year yet for these peonies. I think there's 5 flower buds on each end of those. So they're going to look really well. Delphinium at the back there. Going to get that thistle out tomorrow. I know the hedge needs cutting. But yeah, let's look at these. Wow, the colours on these are amazing. Need a little bit of weeding. Still got me forget-me-nots that are really doing really well. They need some weeds pulling out of them as well. And this one, it's a genum that's self-seeded. I'm definitely going to keep that. Definitely. Love the colour and the shape of the petals. Really nice. Yeah. And the Delphinium. If you see anything like this, usually mean caterpillars. Let's get a good squeeze, get them crushed. And then up to this side. Oh, look at the peonies this year. Wow. Absolutely outstanding. No mistake them, but I haven't bothered this year. Still looking really well. And then I've got my white, this is an oriental poppy here. That'll be flowering soon. Another peony. And I planted this year. I think this will look really well in a few years there. Clematis going up through this beautiful tree. As we come down, first of the foxgloves. I'm definitely going to take some seeds off these and get them planted. Looking really well. The bees absolutely adore them. At the back, some more delphiniums there. This Icelandic poppy is looking really well. Another peony, oh wow. The perfume off these is absolutely divine when they start flowering. Here's one of the lupines. I've grown from seed. That's look really nice. And the delphinium, some more bleeding hearts, which is still in flower, which I'm quite surprised about. Yep, Snowy. Snowy. What's a good boy then? What's a good boy then? Come on, give me a hand. This is a delphinium that I've grown from seed, my own seeds, and it's, last year was absolutely out of this world. Blue with a like little white centre. Hollyhocks that are getting mullered with the caterpillar slugging snails. Here we go. Lucifer, I think this is called. I forget the name of it now. Bright red, gorgeous, really nice. Come round. These I left out. I never normally leave these out. Bit of a mistake. They've had a lot of damage. I think they'll survive because these normally flower really well. Agapanthus. Queen Mum it's called. These are some lilies I got from the Harrogate Flower Show a couple of years ago. Look at the lily beetles there. That's what I'm going to have to spray for. Little monsters. Oh. See in there? Pan out a bit. See in there? Little monsters. I have to get them sprayed. Get rid of them. We come down here. Now these irises are going to flower, which is really nice. Nice shoots on them. I'm quite surprised that they're going to flower as well as they are actually, because they really like to be baked in the sun and they're not getting much sun because they're in the shade there. We come round. My beautiful climber. Jasmine, clotted cream. It makes the house smell really divine, that. And then, so what around here? These are my peony in pots. These suffered really badly. I didn't water them when we had a really dry spell several weeks ago, but I've still got 3 flowers on, so we're happy with that. And these are my Agapanthus. This is the 2nd year. Hopefully I'll get some flowers off them this year. In my Agapanthus, 2nd year, hopefully I'll get some flowers off them this year. But yeah, that's the Queen Mum one. Love sitting on this bench, just panning round. Really nice, man, really nice. Little foxglove. And my beautiful climber. With it being so cold, it's taking its time, but it'll come and it'll be really nice. Yeah, so that's a quick tour of my little cottage garden. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Bye.